Hi nail crew. Okay, so I am getting ready and I'm all set up for something I like to call Netflix and chill. I know, so original. I made that up. Just kidding, just kidding. All right. Hi nail crew. I know this setup is a little bit different than what we're used to, but I'm in my living room today because I'm getting all set up for a movie night. We're watching Netflix. So until my friends get here, I thought I'd make a video for you guys. So today's video, guys, is dear to my heart. It's dear to my heart because it is the season of travel, okay? We're all traveling because it is Thanksgiving and then Christmas and New Year's. So I know we all got places to go and people to see, okay? So with that being said, you will definitely need this. This is my emergency nail kit. So I'm going to show you guys what I keep in my nail kit, okay? So I traveled, I broke nails, I did not have a nail kit, I was devastated, okay? So let's just dive in. First of all, this bag is super, super cute. I got this from Victoria's Secret a long time ago with a sale or something, but it has like a little pocket in the back. I guess it must have had handles, but I don't know where the handles are. But cute little tassel. Anyway, Victoria's Secret ain't paying me. Y'all ain't got to go get this particular bag, but it is super cute. All right, so in my bag, let's see. This is gonna just be a random draw. It's not gonna be ranked in order from least important to most important. It's literally just whatever I put my hands on first, okay? So the first thing we are going to need, a nail clipper, duh, right? If you break a nail or you get a hangnail or even like your cuticles are sticking out or bothering you or whatever the case is, a nail clipper is always good to have. And this is just a regular nail clipper. So definitely good to have. Put you there. Oh, a nail file. So this is from Bonafide Beauty. I featured this in one of my other videos and I have two. The company actually sent this to me and I have two of them, one for me and one for one of you. So when I announce my next giveaway, you too will have a Bonafide Beauty file to add in your go bag, okay? So what I like about this file is that it is glass. So it's a nice glass file. It's not too sharp, so it feels almost like a buffer, but it's really good for like on the go type of emergencies, okay? So I definitely have that file in here. Let's see what's next. A buffer, okay. So if you break your nail and you have to fix your nail, right? I have a whole video on how I broke and fixed my nail and it was awesome. But what I did not have was a buffer. So if you guys are creating a little to-go bag, you want to add a buffer. And I like this buffer because it's like a four-way buffer. So on one side, you even out, then you smooth, and then you buff the nail, and then you shine the nail. So this is called a four-way buffer. I will get close so you guys can see that. Oh, it's upside down. It's probably not focused, but it has actual instructions on which one to use first. Which one to use first, second, third, and fourth. So it's cool, very cool, four-way buffer. But any buffer will work. You don't need this one. That's just the one that I have. So nail clipper, file, buffer, all very important. Oh, you have to have nail glue. And the glue that I like, Gorilla Glue. Yes, this is my favorite glue for fixing a broken nail, okay? It is a super glue and it is a gel. So it's way, way, way thicker than regular nail glue. It comes out like a gel, so it takes a little bit longer to dry, but trust me, your nails will be on. Actually, I put this on when I broke a nail. And if you guys remember that video, I tried to break my nail again. I tried to break it just to see if it was strong enough to hold. It took forever to break and I was putting force in it. So this stuff right here, awesome. I got it from Walmart. Let's see, what else? Okay, if you happen to break a nail and you fix it, chances are you're gonna tell a little bit where the line was, where it cracked. So a good camouflage, and I did not have this when I was on my trip and I broke my nail. So a good camouflage is glitter. Glitter. So in your to-go bag, you have to pack glitter. If you crack a nail and you have to fix it, a good way to camouflage the line and the glue and all of that is with glitter. So pack yourself a really good glitter. This one is from China Glaze. I think I got it from Sally's. Yeah, I think I got this one from Sally's. So this is what it looks like. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous glitter. All right. And so once you put the glitter on, and again, something I did not have because I was not prepared, you're gonna need a top coat, right? Now, when I'm at home, I like to do my top coat with gel and then stick my hand under the UV lamp, yada, yada, yada. But when you're traveling, you're not gonna wanna bring a UV lamp, right? So you wanna get a very nice, thick, good quality, clear top coat. This one is called Pro FX. It's Supreme Gel. So it's a very, very thick top coat. It's almost like that of gel consistency, but you do not need a UV light. And this one dries super duper quick. I got it from Sally's. It was just like an experiment thing, but honey, this stuff works well. If I'm not gonna use a gel top coat that I have to UV cure, this is my go-to top coat. Seriously, let me show it to you guys. You see that? There it is. Sally's Beauty, honey. Go get you some of that. That is awesome. And what else do I have? I have one more thing. And I got this one from Family Dollar. It is cuticle oil. It's not the one that I made, so it's not as good, honey. It's not as good as mine. But I mean, hey, it's from the brand New Color, and it's just cuticle oil. Let's see what it smells like. I never use this one, but I just have it in my emergency bag, okay? So let's smell it. It smells almost like, kind of like shampoo almost. It has like a shampoo-y type smell, so it's not smelly or stinky. Let me try some on. Let's see what it feels like. It's definitely thicker than the cuticle oil that I use all the time. It's thicker, which I don't know if you're gonna consider that a good or a bad thing because you don't want it to be too thick and like sticky. But it's definitely good to have. It's definitely good to have as an emergency backup in your to-go bag, okay? So, hello. So let me just review everything that I have in my bag, okay? All right, guys. So in your to-go bag, you should have, these are just like the bare essentials. So you definitely will need a nail clipper. I mean, who doesn't need a nail clipper, right? You can get a file. Hopefully one of you win this one and you love it. If not, just go to the dollar store and get you a cheap little file, okay? You can have a buffer, like the regular buffer block that I use all the time, or you could try something like this. This is a 4-way block, so even out, smooth the nail, and what does it say on the block? Oh, got it upside down. Buff nail and shine nail. So you can get you a little buffer like that. You're definitely gonna need some glue, guys, and this is my favorite. Love you, love you. And then some glitter. The glitter is just a good camouflage. A top coat. And then some cuticle oil. So this, ladies and gentlemen, this is my go-to on the road emergency nail kit, and I keep it all in this cute little Victoria's Secret bag. Now don't go out to Victoria's Secret if they're not having a sale, ladies. Don't do it. Don't spend your coins like that. You know, Victoria's kind of expensive, so don't do it. Take it behind a Walmart, get you a nice cheap little bag, throw your stuff in there. If you used to have Ipsy, I know you got all those little Ipsy bags just in the house somewhere, in a cabinet, somewhere in the bathroom. Pull out an Ipsy bag, throw all this stuff in there. You are good to go. All right, guys. All right, that is all I have for you. I'm about to get ready for this movie night. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you keep in your bag. Let me know if you have all of these essentials in your bag. Let me know if I'm missing something. Hello, what else do I need? Do I have everything I need? Let me know. All right? So thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Duh.